for creating Power App, we have to go on powerapps.microsoft.com and sign in. I use the same account which I created in last video. We successfully log in into Power Apps dashboard. This is our dashboard. First step, we have to go in environment, and that environment we created in last step, and then click on apps and create a canvas app. From this screen we have to select OneDrive for business and phone layout. Here my OneDrive connection is already established and all files Excel files uploaded. If we create a new connection, there are many options are available. You can connect with Business Central on-prem, Dropbox, Dynamics 365, which is formerly CRM, Dynamics 365 for finance and operations option is also available. Dynamic Nav, you can connect with file system, FTP, Google Drive, MySQL, Excel, OneDrive connection, and I select previous step, and you can see the table I uploaded. I created in Excel file is here. Against this table, Wizard created a Power App application for us. It created a three screens: a browser screen or a list page, a detail screen, and edit screen. Application, let's see what will be the output. This will be a list page or a browser screen where all data in Excel will be shown here. And if I click on this record, it shows us a detail page, and here I can edit from 1800 to 18,000, and then I save and create a new record. For example, 101 category test, comment test from browser, and date I selected and click OK. Today's date, and title is from Power App, and save this record. So if we go to our OneDrive and open the Excel file, let's see changes are reflected in it or not. You can see a new record, date is updated, and amount is 101 is there, category test from browser is there, and the record which we updated is also there. So our app is work perfectly fine. If we go back to app and save this app, we have to save it on cloud, and we set it our first Power App with Excel. We will use modify this app. Click on save. We can also use and test this app to different options. App Store. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.